Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Justinmind. We will explore their core functionalities, highlighting where each tool truly shines. Figma, a cloud-based design platform, is renowned for its collaborative features and user interface design capabilities. Justinmind, on the other hand, focuses on creating highly interactive, high-fidelity prototypes with advanced simulation options. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of which tool best suits your specific project requirements and workflow, helping you make an informed decision for your design needs. Figma offers significant advantages, particularly in real-time collaboration, allowing multiple designers to work simultaneously on a single file, boosting team productivity. Its powerful auto layout feature simplifies creating responsive designs, adapting effortlessly across various screen sizes. Furthermore, Figma's extensive plugin ecosystem provides thousands of extensions, enhancing its functionality for diverse design tasks. Being entirely web-based, it ensures accessibility from virtually any device, making it incredibly flexible for remote teams and quick iterations. Justinmind excels in crafting highly interactive and functional prototypes, allowing for complex logic and detailed user experiences. It provides a rich library of pre-built user interface kits and components, supporting platforms like iOS, Android, and various web frameworks, accelerating the design process. The tool's advanced simulation capabilities enable thorough testing of user flows and data input, mimicking real-world application behavior. Additionally, Justinmind offers robust integration options with popular development and user testing tools, streamlining your entire workflow. Choosing between Figma and Justinmind depends heavily on your project's specific needs. If your priority is collaborative user interface and user experience design with responsive layouts, Figma is generally the stronger contender. However, for creating highly interactive, data-driven prototypes with intricate simulations and detailed user flow testing, Justinmind truly shines. Consider your team's collaboration requirements, the desired fidelity of your prototypes, and existing tool integrations to make the best decision for your design workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.